1994
Can makine
and giving service in its 2,000 square meter factory in Samandra with its expert engineers and technical staff. Can Machine was founded in 1984. The company is moving forward with unfaltering steps while helping the sector to gain respect with its special design, locally produced machine. Board of Management is constituted by Tahir Can, the head of the management, Şenol Can, the responsible of the two branches in Samandra, and Erol Can, the head of the manufacturing. These three partners put Can Machine over the top of grinding and polishing machine sector in Turkish machine industry by standing shoulder to shoulder over 26 years. From the day of its foundation, Can Machine is training its technical staff and adding new expert technicians to its team. By mixing its amateur soul and professional way of working, it reached to its success in international area, helping its country's industry to survive from its unsteady times by manufacturing and creating. Can Machine is still presenting its polishing and grinding machines to the international market with respect. In a short time, Can Machine has incredibly developed in its own, and as a result of the huge demand from the market, it opened the field of design machines. This is again a big step for the market. With these special design machines, it becomes hard for its rivals to survive in the same market. Beginning to its professional life, first with a small workplace and limited equipment, Can Machine is now manufacturing the high-tech machines by using its CNC lathe machines and the other advanced technological equipments. Aiming hassle-free customer satisfaction, Can Machine has all the necessary parts in its stocks, providing the necessary wearing and replace parts the new super upgraded setup, like polishing clothes, handles, polishing engines, and production desks are under the guarantee of Can Machine with competitive prices. Can Machine has consecutively added polishing engine, belt grinding machine, caliber grinding machine and pipe grinding machine, and in the year 2000 developed full automatic pipe polishing machine and pipe polishing machine, caliber grinding machine. In the year 2005, pipe polishing machine with PLC control has been developed, and in 2009, machine production with CNC control has been made. With these, the company gained the rightful praise. By manufacturing radiator grinding and radiator mopping machines, Can Machine has again led the way of innovation. In addition to manufacturing high-tech machines, the service and upkeep of these machines are under the guarantee of Can Machine. Can Machine take development as its mission and constituting a research and development department in its own system. It has succeeded to produce such high-tech multi-stational machines. The successor and researcher, the company has continued to produce its own technology by working hand in hand with its research team. These whole new machines are not enough for such an innovative company, and from the 11th month of 2009, the company prepares itself for a new innovation, flying pipe polishing machine. While the preparations for this flying pipe machine continues with the support of TÜBİTAK, the production area, the equipments that will be used are checked and approved by the professors of Gazi University and Uludağ University. In these times, when the innovations in the industry market are encouraged, Can Machine is aware of its responsibility to progress, and it announces with its Flying Pipe project that the new era in polishing market begins. Can Machine is thankful to the ones who trust its experience and knowledge, and the customers who manufactures with these innovative machines for over 26